Yo, Mo, how the fuck are you, bro?
What the fuck? What's good, bro?
How the fuck are you, man?
For this shit. Hold up, bro. I might cry, bro. What the fuck?
Yo, how the fuck are you, bro? How you feeling?
My soul is hurt right now, bro. What the fuck is that? Hey, Rocket! Come here, hurry up! Hey, this is crazy, bro. How you just sound just like this, man.
I don't even know, bro. I don't even know myself.
Bro, freestyle real quick.
Well, freestyle? Man, I definitely got you, bro.
What the fuck?
Alright, let's see this. See what I can come up with real fucking fast. Alright, let's get this shit, bro.
This nigga eat a watermelon like an African.
Alright. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Hey. Niggas wanna test me. Niggas always playing. Might as well make it on this dope. Might as well go Super Saiyan. All of these niggas might test this. Me niggas are always investment. Now that these niggas investment. Might as well run up on getting investment. Might as well get on the guap. Making it all in the shot. You niggas are always in pop. Might as well go. I'm getting the pop. Now I'm just playing. Might as well go Super Saiyan. Waiting in money in the land. Might as well go and leave where you stand. On the dust today. Waiting on a check. Bitches giving it. Getting money check. Okay, 1, 2. Waiting on a shoot. Might as well just pull out and just fucking shoot.
Hey, this shit crazy, bro. No, I definitely had to show some love to you, bro. That shit is crazy. I just seen it the other day. I'm like, this nigga really sound like X. And then I was like, hell no, I gotta show everybody. Like, this shit is wild.
Yo, I appreciate you for hitting me up. Also, shout out to my manager for actually getting to you. That nigga actually got to you.
Yeah,
that's why I'm here now.
What's his ad again?
Hold on, I'll type it for you. Hold up. Right there. That's his app.
Yeah, this nigga look like. Not like X. He don't got no pictures. His picture is just X on the page.